Hi, I'm Tim Cunningham. We created Taste and Score Minerals to help you decide what you need instead of trying to find it through all the research everybody else says they think you need. Follow your body. It's really important. Listen, in today's world, between wearing masks, socially distancing, and trying to keep our immune system healthy, there's a lot of ways and a lot of supplements you can choose. I get that. Here's an idea though. Why don't you ask your body what it needs? Here are 6 liquid minerals, pharmaceutical grade, that you can taste to determine what you need to get you through your day. You can put them in your smoothies, you can mix them with Light Balance, and they're easy to use, pure pharmaceutical grade mineral salts. Try them, see what your body wants today.